This is Ruby. Ruby is working on sitting up. Ruby really wants her ball. Here you go, Ruby. There you go. Good girl. There. See? Oh. We're going to have it. We've almost got it. Yes, yes. Well, we're going to ease off for now. Now we're just going to play with the ball. Oh, there was a very clear roll. So you've seen this thing can roll. It's just this one little arm. We have problems remembering to pull it out. Come on, here you go. There you go. There's your ball. There's your ball. Say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.